Friends, how are you? Yes, today we launch our new chapters, algebra, unit 9's algebra, chapter 1, variable and constant. So, dear students, in class 5 you also learn variable and constant, and in class 6 also you have learned again variable and constant. So, I am describe about the algebra. Algebra means an algebra is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the mathematics in terms of letter or letters. For example, we are learn addition in algebra, subtraction, multiplication, divide, fractional problem, etc. So as we learn in the arithmetic, same we are learn in algebra also, but here is we learn in terms of mathematics in terms of letter or letters. So that's why, my dear students, algebra is nothing. It is a branch of mathematics. It is not difficult, but it is easy very, because we have the ideas addition, how to add the additions, how to do additions, how to do subtraction. Same we are learned here also in this chapter, algebra also, but in terms of letter or letters. So it is just quite different, but not very difficult. Okay. So our first chapter variable and constant. So my dear students, what do you mean by variable? Variable means anything which is changeable, whose value is not fixed, is called variable. For example, one sentence: there are some boys are playing on the field. So there are some boys play on the field. It means that it is not fixed, either 2 or 3 or 4. It is not fixed. That's why we are called, the sentence is a variable. It is not clear. Understood? So that's why variable means in algebra there are the sentence or letter or terms whose value are not fixed or unknown is called variable. So another sentence is: there are X girls in a class 6. This sentence is also variable, because X girl means how much, how many, it's not clear. That's why it is a variable. Similarly, constant means the value, the sentence or terms whose value are the fixed or exact are called constant. So it means that the sentence which value is fixed. For example, there are districts of Nepal. So my dear students, you know very well how many districts of Nepal? Yes, it is fixed. So one sentence is here: there are 5 boys playing on the field. So it means this sentence is clear. There are only 5 boys is playing on the field. So it is this sentence is a constant. And similarly, X is denoted zone of Nepal. Denoted the zone of Nepal. X is the term of algebra, but the X value is fixed. Zone of Nepal. How many zone of Nepal? Yes, 14 zone. So that is fixed. So it means that X value is a fixed. That's why it is a constant. Another sentence: if the value of X, in terms value of X is not single, value of X is not a single value. There is a more than 2. So that means the x is also the variable. Understood? Here is the value of x is 1, 2, either 1, 2, 3. So it means that the value of x is, here is 3 value. But it is not clear exact which one is exact. So that's why it is also called the variable. So in algebra we have learned term or terms. In terms of term and terms we learned the mathematical problems. So my another class we are also discuss about the variable and concept. So my dear students, today's here is the chapter 1. Here is find whether the following mathematical sentence are constant or variables. So here is a 10 questions and each question have 2 questions. One is here, A represent the number of districts of Nepal. So look, number of districts of Nepal. So my students, tell me, it is a variable or constant? A is a variable or constant? Yes, it is a fixed. So that's why it is a constant. Another sentence, Y represent the districts of Narayani zone. So my dear students, it is also the fixed. Districts of Narayani zone also fixed. So that's why it is also the constant. So similarly, you are doing this exercise and do this exercise today. So again, our next class we are discuss about algebraic terms and expression. Thank you very much.